Hi, my name is Sagar. So after so long time, I'm able to record a video, and the reason being, I'm doing the one funnel away challenge again, and I wanted to share my experience, right? So I thought like I would record a video just for a sales purpose, but I feel like rather than just not going through the exact challenge, how could I share the summary, right? Now, this is the time I can share my experience. I am in second week. Now, I just wanted to share that what exactly in the new One Follow challenge and how it is different from the old One Follow challenge. So, first of all, if you do not know what exactly One Follow challenge, I'll just quickly brief you about that. One Follow challenge is run by Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels, and it is a challenge where you can say it is a 30-day marketing degree, and you will learn and implement and build your business, uh, online business in just 30 days, right? And in that process, basically you will be building your funnel, because funnel is something very important for any irrespective of any industry, any business you are into, right? Be it brick and mortar, be it online, be it coaching, consulting, everything, right? So how it is going to help you? So I'll tell you that it has changed 1,000 people who have like uh, or done so many incredible job in terms of building their brand online, building their sales online, right? So this is the step by step. Even if you do not have any uh, experience or anything, this will actually help you to start from scratch. Yes, it is very challenging because it is a challenge, right? So every challenge should be challenging. That's only it will you will get good result. So I'm doing this is the third time. Every time I got new result, I got new funnel build, and this time also I'm creating a great affiliate offer so that I can grow my business, right? And also I crossed some $1,000 in this month itself, but what I was struggling to get for the last 5 6 months, right? But because of this one follow challenge, I got $1,000 in this month itself, because of this promotion and all. So I would like to give you this opportunity so that you can also grow your business, right? So let's get started. Exactly, I'll just dive deep into what exactly you will get once you get into the one plus challenge. So I'll be sharing the link in the description also below. You can also check it out. So I'll quickly share my screen. Okay, so this is a new funnel created by Russell Brunson. So you can say every 15 days this challenge start, and you can see the next challenge is 25th of January. So you can check if you are watching after 25th of January 2021, then you can also check the link below to get that when the next challenge is. Now here is a sales video. You can check uh, in the link description below. And basically, this is the question says asking, do you want to grow your business online, but you have no idea where to start? You have a company that has been successful, but some regions you are feeling stuck. You want, do you want to direct access to the expert who can help you to your funnel strategy, or strategy offer, making a marketing, sales, any questions you have related to your business, your niche, you can get it solved through the expert. You are like basically every day you will get access to the expert. You can ask questions on live. That is the good. Are you convinced that you need a funnel? Yeah. And are you about to launch your next funnels to make sure that it is a huge success? Yeah. So this is the things basically you will be getting. Earlier there were 3 4 consultant, and now this has changed, and from the last, because what happens like funnel building comes part in the third week, originally fourth week. So I feel this is a great improvement done by Russell Brunson. Basically, he is going to come live every single day, right? Uh, and in the Facebook groups. After that, that what he will do is, right, he will give one pager. Like once he share the strategy, then he will give one pager. One pager is a digital workbook he will be giving, right? That digital workbook you will be implementing what he is going to teach, right? Then after implementation you feel stuck, you like, if like you don't know what to do sometimes, right? Then what you will do is, after just 2 hours, you will be getting 2 hour live coaching call. If you cannot attend, you can still watch the replay, right? Where people ask questions, what are the questions, what are the problem they are facing during this challenge, right? So that is the way you will get 2 hour consultation call from the uh, coaches, right, every single day. And so you will be getting a private Facebook group like this. You see, this is a specifically designed for this purpose, where basically you will be connecting with many experts across the world. It is not only specific to any country or thing. You will be connecting with many industry experts, those who are across the industry, every industry you can find. Like, see, these are the, in this challenge itself, 5,300 people are there, because this is the relaunch. So at least every month, sorry, every challenge, you can say 1,000 people you able to interact and get network with, right? And you see, like, these are the coaches we are getting training from. And see, this is the consulting call basically we get every single day. And this is the upcoming, like 22nd Jan, tech support also. They will help you to go into your funnel and help you to handle that. Okay, do you do this, you do that, every single day they will help you by coming live. You can also join the Zoom session if you are a office subscribers, right? So this is not kind of any course, right? If you think that, okay, I have a recording versions, people say them, I already watched that. If you have done already, I would highly recommend, this is a completely upgraded versions. If you're not done already, this is the best thing you have to do. If you think that uh, I'll take courses from some others, it will not happen, because this is designed for you specifically, not any, right? So better you can go through it. Like mission control, this is the section where you can ask your questions, right, related to your. So they will like, see you can. There are so many people are asking, and these are the coaches replying back to their questions. Like, so this is the kind of support they provide. And you can also access the recording at any point of time just by going unit tab. Like, so every, like, week one mission one, week two listen to, every single day you will get the recordings, and also you will get the consulting call recording, which is almost 2 hours per day. So yeah, that is the thing. You have to be very dedicated on this challenge. Otherwise, I would strongly not recommend for this challenge if you cannot put the effort, right? Every day, at least you should ready for 3 hours to in this particular challenge, right? Yeah, definitely you will get 2 days to catch up. 2 days will no session will be there, but that 2 days you will catch up. If you are working professional, somehow you cannot do it, but yes. You can catch up anytime in the weekends. So this is the like group access, and you will get also the two book comma club ebook, and there are other things you will get. So this is the basic things I just wanted to share. And yeah, so this is the 3 step where you will get live session by step one, Russell. Second is a one pager. This is the implementation workbook you will be getting, digital workbook, and the implementation part is the step three. Right. And this is the bonus, and you will also get the bonus. I'll just share with you from me if you get through my link. So yeah, so the cost is $100, and I what I feel is $100 is like but I get what, like, it is very less as for me, because the amount of value Russell Brunson is giving, uh, and like you can literally cannot compare with any other program, right? So that is my bold guarantee. If you do not feel like any point of time, this is not for me and this is for me, so yeah, simply they will refund your money. They will not take your money, right? So that is the thing. I mean, at least they are giving $3,000 of value to this challenge. Now, coming to one pager, I will show you like how the digital one pager looks like. So every single day you will be getting one link that is called like one pager. One pager is a very cool software. Actually, you can also uh, put your all the stuffs into one things rather than putting into sheet, and sometimes Excel sheet. It is very now see, here is the strategy, the tactics, right? The Russell Brunson explain the how you can do it, this workbook, the assignment, and you will get like what the step one you need to do. Step one, download the template. Step two, watch this training. Step three, checklist. Once you done with this, replace the video. Everything it is done by step. So I would recommend like this is the one of the best group coaching, affordable group coaching program in this planet I have ever seen, right? The amount of value, the amount of effort they are putting into it, and the amount is nothing in front of it. Because I am doing this for the third time by paying it. So you can imagine like how valuable it is. So this is the thing. Now coming to my bonus. So as I'm an affiliate marketer, right? So I'm affiliate of this. So if you purchase any product, definitely you will get bonuses from me. The biggest bonuses I give to my affiliate is like the personal time, very personal of. So if you can check the update, if you are watching it later, you can check the bonus page what the current offer is going on, right? What is the current, so this page will be updated every single time, right? But currently I am giving a personal one-to-one uh, call, and the thing when where they stuck it, where they feel like I'm not able to do it, that is the best bonuses I give to my affiliates, right? Because I have been doing this for the last 5 6 months with dedicated with one company, because I learned so many things from Russell Brunson, and this is the like skills that I just wanted to share. Till that, like even the last in just 4 days, I earned like more than $1,000. So that is the power of this product, right? This product sells itself, right? If you know this product, and the best part of it is if you join this challenge and recommend to any of your friend, you will get back your money, right? 100 was just you have to just refer one friend and you will get back your, and because this has 100% commissions, because Russell doesn't take any uh, money from this challenge, he just give it to their 100% to their affiliates. So you can also get the money when you refer one friend, right? That is the one friend or any one of your customer. That's it. You will get back your investment. That's it. And further, yeah, you will get downloadable slides and OFA recaps. You will get access to one of my membership area where I keep on updating every single time my bonuses, right? And my personal notes you will get, and this affiliate funnel I'll give you, right? You don't have to design from scratch. You just plug and play and you will get start promoting this or anything like this. So, and there will be many templates for it. Currently I'm using like webinar funnels, some opt-in funnels, so many things which I'm currently using it, that also I'm giving away for free those who are joining through my affiliate link. You will get the affiliate link in the description below. And this is my mentor's training, basically how he got like six-figure income, a six-figure affiliate income without paid ads, right? How, so this is the master class you will be getting from my mentor. This is also part of it. And the support, you definitely, when you enroll with me, you will get lifetime support because I'm very focused towards ClickFunnels affiliate. and definitely I'll help you with your journey, anything. And also the thing is, also I'm adding few other bonuses which will help you to get traffic. This is a main one of the biggest challenge uh, in terms of getting traffic. I work only organic traffic as of now, not working in terms of paid ads. That organic traffic actually helped me to get this type of income till date. And if you wanted to join this challenge, I'm giving away one uh, software which cost premium software. It's cost $50, something like that is for free, and you can literally private label it, and I will give you the access, private label access, where you can at least plug and to your funnel, your autoresponder, and start getting building your list, and giving you can also give away this uh, of software with your offer, with your affiliate offer, with your bonuses, right? That is the biggest bonuses I just recently I have created. Just check it out, whatever bonuses in the description below you will be getting. So thanks a lot. The joining cost is just $100, right? And that's it. You don't have to pay me. You have to just pay uh, Russell Brunson. Just by clicking here, you will be redirect to Russell Brunson sales page. Just check my affiliate ID. Like I'll be mentioning in the descriptions. And once you pay me, just send me uh, email, and definitely you will get all my bonuses, all my support about this. So thank you so much. I hope you get little idea how actually this one new one follow challenge, and it will really creating a revolutionary uh, thing in the world. Like 1,000 people have crossed $1 million in single funnel, right? That is a 2 comma club inside ClickFunnels, right? In one club. So just 1 million, just calculate the things as per your country currency and things. So that is the power of ClickFunnels. And this is going to huge change in marketing and getting generate more sales, more leads, more profitability, right? So that's the file. Irrespective of any industry, you will get success with sales funnel, right? So that's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to put comment. I'll definitely help you to answer those questions. And if you're connected with me, any of social media, then definitely you can ask directly on my messenger or anything. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. And you are just one funnel away. I just always say, like as Russell Brunson always say, that you are just one funnel away from the life you want, from the business you wanted to build, and whatever your goal is, you are just one funnel away. Thanks a lot. Bye.